Hello and thanks for watching another video of the Parl. Today I'm talking about my bounty of Jamaican hot Scotch bonnet peppers that I got yesterday. So this is all of the peppers that, well, some of the peppers I picked yesterday, because when I came home and I was inspecting the hot Scotch bonnet pepper plant, I noticed that I had a few friends who were taking their share of the peppers. So I decided just to pick them, even though I wanted was to hopefully give some away, but look like that isn't going to happen. So I just picked these and trimmed up the tree yesterday. I still do have a few peppers. And this tree right here is one of the smaller ones, but I got maybe like 6 or so from it, and most of the peppers from this big plant right here. But I had some caterpillars eating out the peppers, so I had to get rid of some. I got rid of quite a few peppers. Due to the caterpillars, but it's fine. I still got peppers and I have some on the freeze already, so a win is a win. And I still have hot peppers coming in from other plants as well, hot pepper plants, the smaller ones, and the habaneros are producing. So it's good. It's good and I'm thankful. So this is today's update, or October update, in regards to my hot pepper plants that I'm growing here in Japan. So thanks again for watching this video, and remember to give a like or comment or share this video to someone who likes peppers, you know. Thanks.